The She Builds Summer Program is our way to bring into the high schools the technology and the knowledge for construction management. We teach the girls how to do work in teamwork, how to do estimating, a little bit of scheduling, quality control, safety, logistics. We bring them to the world of construction management. We hope that they will find the construction management program at FIU a very viable alternative for them to choose as their career of choice when they graduate from high school. When we present to these young girls what the companies are doing out there in construction, the technology they're using, they are amazed and they like what they see. They want to be part of that. They want to learn the technology. They want to be users and developers of this kind of technology for their life. You know, that's what they want to do.
One of the core missions of She Builds is to build confidence in girls. So knowing their abilities, that they too can enter into construction management and make a difference, not only in their careers, but also in the community around them. So we've grown in just 5 years to be a premier end of the summer program for girls in South Florida and beyond. And so She Builds, of course, is again a pathway that allows them to enter into construction management as a college major here at FIU and into the career.
My favorite project definitely had to be the planters as well. It was so much fun to put the whole thing together, decorate them, and being able to take that home. I love lavender. I was able to plant some lavender flowers, and I'm so excited to be able to remember that I came here and I blossomed my own lavender. Like, yes, thank you.
What motivated me to join She Builds was the sisterhood I was expecting on going into the program. I was really excited to learn about construction management along with other girls who would understand where I'm coming from, and that way we could collectively learn about it and it wouldn't be as bad as me trying to learn by myself.
I'm the only one out of state this year, so it was scary to come down and not know everyone. But after the second day, we're all like teasing each other, having fun, giggling. It's great.
Being that I have spent 20 years in construction, when I started 20 years ago, there weren't any opportunities for girls like me, not girls who looked like me or sounded like me. What FIU is doing gives an opportunity to a new generation of girls who I know are extremely powerful and can be powerful in construction, because I see the women around me in construction and how influential they are.
Like when I came up through the industry, I never had another female who does like what I do. It was all like predominantly males. So I think that it's awesome to now be in those positions and to now be able to provide the, hey, this is my experience. You know, if you want to be an engineer, go do it. And I think that it's important to be positive examples. And then also continuing to work with the She Builds. It's a new group of students each year, and it's always so much fun, and they always have different questions. It's never the same questions. You're never like repeating yourself.
This year, our theme was blossoming into a confident builder. So it was amazing to see the girls on day one start their mini planters that they created.
I would say that my favorite activity that we did at the FIU campus was definitely the planter activity. I feel like it really did bring out the construction side of things. We were tasked with making our own boxes made out of wood and nails. We made them by ourselves, painted them, planted them, and it was a full circle moment because we had the opportunity to realize what this camp was truly about blossoming into women, very strong women, and I feel like it was a very, very nice and full circle moment to build the planters and see them come together.
Yes, I also agree. I do think that it symbolizes what the camp is about. From the beginning of the camp, we were kind of all a bit shy and reserved, and then having that planter box activity allowed me to speak to other girls and kind of break out of my shell. And then just doing it step by step, day by day, we got to know and get closer to each other, and I feel like that experience right there was just a staple piece.
My favorite part was actually going to the construction site, because it's one thing where all the women are telling you that this is a male-dominated industry. Like, it's one thing hearing it, but actually going there and seeing the very few women, it was so inspiring to me because it was like so many males doing their jobs, but the women, you know, they were all excited to be there and doing what they do. So that was really cool. It was very inspiring.
I enjoyed doing the estimating with one of the groups that came. They came and gave us like a practice sheet to do where we would do estimating, and I really liked it because I finally got to use like what I love, which is like my math skill, whatever kind of logical thinking. I got to finally apply that, and it was a lot of fun.
So my favorite part was on the first day. There was a 4-member team where one person was blind, another person was deaf, and one was blind and deaf, and one was mute. So that was really fun because our group, my group, we really got to know each other. We really were connected. Everyone was working together, and it was just hilarious the whole time.